Special and unusual times. So more than a year and a half ago, a war broke out, and at the time we spoke a lot about the war, and the first few days, weeks, and months of this war, everybody said Tehillim, and people learned more. And as time drags on, the Balei HaMusar talk about the concept of Tardemas HaHergel, loosely translated, the slumber of routine. And since the first day of this war, in my shul, we've been saying 3 Pirkei Tehillim after every tefillah. And recently, about 50% of the people walk in, walk out, and I'm not very vocal about it because it's the nature of people, it's the nature of things. How long could you keep this tension? But once again, in the past week, war broke out again. And we've been witnessing sights we haven't seen in the 80 years since modern Israel was established. Some streets in central Israel look like Gaza. So once again, we're at war, and once again, we need chizuk. And chizuk means davening better and davening more, and learning better and learning more. And I quoted this Gemara hundreds of times in the past year and a half, the Gemara in Makis. So every yeshiva boy needs to feel more responsibility when pilots are in the air daily and soldiers are still dying in Gaza. In the last week we lost 3 soldiers, and civilians are getting killed by rocket attacks. It's Torah. So we learn.